Hello everyone and welcome to Glossybox UK's YouTube channel. I'm Rebecca Jones and I'm the social media executive here at Glossybox UK, and today's video is all about the unboxing of the March Glossybox. I'm going to be demonstrating the products, telling you everything about the worth, the products itself individually, how to use them, when to use them, everything you need to know to get the full benefit of your March Glossybox. Now, as we're heading into spring, and can you believe we're already in March? It blows my mind how fast this year's going, but we are getting into spring, which means nicer weather, warmer weather, everything we need here in the UK at present. We thought we'd bring something a little bit different. Now, usually, as a subscriber and a loyal subscriber, you will know that this comes every single month delivered at your door, including the pink Glossybox, which you can see right here. Which way am I? Here we go. You can see the pink Glossybox right there. However, this month it's not going to contain that beautiful iconic pink Glossybox. It's going to contain a bag. Now this month we're bringing spring. We're bringing a bag and we're bringing spring vibes, and look how beautiful this is. Now this is what your 5 products are going to be delivered in this month. Now as you can see, it's got the beautiful Glossybox label and logo, and it comes in this stunning mint green bag. Now this is a towel texture, so again, perfect if you're traveling. It really squashes down, fantastic for weekends away. It's also got that flat lay vibe, so you can really like flat lay it outwards to really get your products out, whether that's makeup, skincare, hair care, however you decide to use it. And it's also got this beautiful tie design as well, so again, you can knot it how you like, tie it how you like. And it's just really convenient, especially if you're going to be traveling, for it to be packed down. It's perfect. Now, as you will already know, it'll contain 5 products worth a minimum of £50. Now, this month, your glossy bag of products will be worth over £60. So that means you're going to get all of your goodies as well as this bag for a worth of £60. Now, let's get into the products. So within the bag, you, again, as mentioned, will have 5 beauty products as you do every month. However, we have 4 of them that are full size. So we have 4 full size products and 1 deluxe size. 2 of them being skincare, 1 of them being body care, and 2 of them being makeup. Now to start today's demonstration of all the products, I'm going to remove all of my makeup, ready for the first 2 products to be demonstrated. So I've tied my hair back and I've removed the majority of my makeup as my first cleanse. Now as my second cleanse, I'm going to go in with the first product of the March bag, and it's the Rodial Salicylic Acid Cleanser. So the Rodial Salicylic Acid Cleanser obviously contains your salicylic acid. Now your salicylic acid is fantastic for helping to refine and deep cleanse pores whilst also improving the texture of the skin. It's also got your niacinamide in there, which is fantastic for brightening the skin. And alongside that, it's also got your lotus and your pink diamond powder to really help brighten and refresh the skin. Now, the best way to apply this product is actually in the evening, because you've got your salicylic acid in there. It can make the skin a little bit more raw to the elements on a much more gentle scale, just purely because it's really helping to remove any surface dead skin and helping to refine the texture of the complexion. So what you're best doing is getting a pea size in the palm of the hand, add some water and really foam this product up. You then just want to gently massage it into the skin like so, really working it down the T-zone area, cheeks, chin, also taking it down the neck if you really want to help to cleanse that area as well, and then remove with water. I personally like to use a hot cloth to remove any of my cleansers, or you can just use direct water from the sink. Once you thoroughly cleanse the skin, I would then follow with my normal nighttime routine, which consists of a toner, an eye cream, a serum of some sort, such as retinols, and then I'd follow with a night cream. Now to end that routine, we'd then go in with the next product that's within your March bag, and it's from a company called Youlab, and it's the Blemish Dots. Now the Youlab Blemish dots are mainly catered for anyone that finds they have breakouts quite often, maybe clogged pores, open pores, anywhere that you might notice significant oil production on the complexion. These are going to be your best friend. Now what I love about the Blemish dots, if you can see them well, there we go, is that they're really there to help cater individual breakouts or open pores. So for example, if you're someone like me that doesn't tend to break out that often, but you do have times of the month where you might get a breakout, these are fantastic for helping to just control that area quite quickly. You can use them in multiple different areas if you're someone that does see significant breakouts. And again, they're fantastic for really helping to reduce the inflammation of the breakout. Now, they contain salicylic acid, and that's going to really help to draw out any of that dirt or oil within that pore and really help to remove it, helping with the appearance and also the long-term effects of breakouts. Now you can wear these on their own in the evening, you can wear them during the day under makeup, which I will be showing you today. They're really versatile and really easy to use. So you want to make sure that the skin is completely clean, is dry from product, and then you can go in with the blemish dots and apply them to each individual breakout or pore that you want to treat. Now the best way to do this is either using tweezers or clean nails and fingers, and you want to apply it onto the area, for example, like this, that you want to treat. Now, on the camera, you can't even see that. It literally blends straight into the skin, as you can see. You can see it from that light there. But look, it like completely just disappears into the skin. And it's fantastic because that means then you can able to put on your foundation. And yeah, you might see a little bit of a circle there. But in all honesty, there's so many of us using these now that they're actually becoming quite the norm to be going out with these blemish dots on the skin. But if you don't feel comfortable in applying them under foundation, you can just use them overnight to treat the area. Now I've applied this, I'm going to go in and apply my complexion products just to show you how much they're easy to wear under makeup. Now, as you can see, I've applied my complexion products. They're my cream products. So I've applied concealers and foundation. And as you can see, it has covered the spot. Don't get me wrong, you can still see a little rim of it in this bright light. However, it's so convenient. So if you're someone that's forgot to apply them the night before, and you're just wanting to really treat that area quite quickly, then again, this is a really good way of treating a breakout, but whilst also going about your normal day and applying your normal makeup application. Now, talking about makeup, the product I'm going to go in with next is a full-size makeup item, and it's from the company called Jacka Black. Now the Jecca Black product is actually a brow seal, which is fantastic for either sealing brow product in place or allowing to seal your brow in place before brow products. Now this is actually a Molly May favourite, so you might have seen this across socials in the past year or so, but it is a fantastic product if you're wanting to give that laminated look, as well as really sealing in and keeping hold of any brow product. Now the best way to apply this is by basically just using directly by the brush. Now as you can see, the brush is a really fine comb, which is fantastic when it comes to brushing through the brow because it makes it extremely easy to do. And what you're going to do is you're going to just gently comb through the brow. And what this is going to do is, as you can see, is really brush that hair up and into place. So not only does it make it instantly look more fuller, but it's also a fantastic way of keeping your brow in place for when you go in with brow product. Now I'm literally applying the smallest amount of this using the comb from the Jacka Black brow seal. I'm literally pushing up. So as you can see, I've done both brows now, and the fullness is so much better in comparison to before I applied the brow seal. And again, that is the full size Jecca Black brow seal in matches back. Now that is the first makeup item. Now the second makeup item is from Them Lala Beauty, and it's their cream blusher. Now there's two different ways you can apply a cream blusher. You can either use it with your fingertips or you can use it with a brush. Now I'm going to show you using it with a fingertips, and I'm also going to show you using a brush just so you can see the difference. In all honesty, the difference isn't that much. You just get better pigment, I find, when you use a brush than when you use your fingers. Now I'm going to use the fingers first, and the best way to apply it is by getting two fingers, warming the product up, and then what you're best doing is applying your blusher on the high points of the cheekbones. You want to avoid the apples of the cheeks, because I always say, imagine you apply it on the cheek smiling and then you stop smiling, it drops. So you don't want your blusher to drop down on the face. You want it still looking quite high, but also adding definition to the cheekbones. So using the product, you want to just gently press this on the high points of the cheekbones. As you can see, it gives that beautiful natural flush of colour. Now, I always say build the product up. Don't go in with too much product. You want to gently blend this into the skin. And I always say apply your powder products last. So apply this cream blusher or any cream products straight away after you've applied foundation and concealer, because what this will do is it will help to just blend into the skin, really warm into the skin, give that natural flush of colour, whilst also allowing that dewy finish to shine through as well. So just apply it directly after your foundation and concealer. And as you can see, this is really natural, really flush of colour. Now I'm going to show you with a brush. Now here I'm using the HF Cosmetics brush, and I'm just working this into the blusher itself. And as you can see, it's a lot more pigmented. So I'm working this right into the high points of the cheek, taking it into the temple as well. Just really working it into that liquid product, such as your foundation and your concealers. But as you can see, there's not much difference. I just find you get a better finish with a brush. However, you still can get a beautiful finish with your fingers. And then once you've applied the cream blush, you can then go in with your powders, your setting powders and your bronzers. So I've just applied my powders and my setting powders, and now I'm going to show you the final product, which is a body product within the March bag. And it's from the company Mitchell & Peach. Now this is Mitchell & Peach's Luxury Hand Cream. So the Mitchell & Peach Luxury Hand Cream is enriched with your vitamin E, shea butter and also English honey. And it's also gently scent with some beautiful undernotes. So you've got in there English leaf, basil, mint and also some floral notes in there as well. So it is beautiful when applied to the skin. Now the best way I always say to apply a hand cream is by applying it on the top of the hand. Now the reason being is because this area of the hand is most exposed to daily aggressors such as pollution, sunlight, etc. So I always say go in there first, really massage it into the skin and then take the excess into the palm of the hands. Give yourself a little hand massage for that 5 minutes or a few minutes of relaxation and well-being. And with hand creams, luxury hand creams, usually you can get a good few washes with the benefits of the hand cream still working. So I would say reapply a couple of times throughout the day or apply it at night time for that really nice treatment as you're resting. It honestly smells so beautiful. And again, you can apply this in the day or in the evening and just a couple of times throughout the day to keep on top of the benefits. So there we have it, 5 beautiful beauty products, all in this gorgeous Glossybox mint towel bag for March, giving you everything you need for the upcoming season. Again, worth over £60, and it's going to be delivered to your doorstep, if it hasn't already, very soon. Now, don't forget to review each individual product to get your glossy credits. And also don't forget that you can refer a friend to get credit on your account. Thank you so much for watching our YouTube video. We will be seeing more of these to come. And if there's anything that you would like me to film, please pop it below in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to do that for you. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you very soon. Bye.